Hello! Welcome to day 10 of Project Chief. Don't hit me with that. That was a close call.
Woohoo!
Today is roof rafter day.
Better yet, known as week 3, day 1.
We had a hard start because we had to carry in 16-foot long 2x6s in the back of a pickup truck. But we got here. And we ate lunch. Our moods are better. Had a little prayer time. That helped out a lot. So now we're going to hopefully install joists.
And I'm going to stop breathing heavy.
Andy's strong. Not with the cardio yet. But man, he can carry a lot of wood.
And John can take a lot of wood.
Watch this.
Quiero yo hacerte el amor en la cama, porque tú sabes que tú eres mi dama. Ey, tienes día que te gusta, tú sabes que tú eres mi princesa. Yeah, yeah. Vente pa' acá, mamá, tú sabes que yo soy.
Hey Andy, are you proud of our work so far?
Proud of shooting me in the head with a nail gun today.
He didn't shoot me in the head, for clarification. It ricocheted off and hit me in the cranium. It was scary, but it didn't break the skin.
I like it too.
What are we doing next, Andy? Forgot to talk about that though.
We're going to be putting up some of the 6x6 corner posts. I think it's the one over here in this corner. And that's as far as I know.
That's not correct.
Dang
We're gonna
it.
put in 3. We're putting in 3 posts.
One for that.
We got one. We have to go over here in the corner. See, up, over there. We got one in between these on the far side too.
Oh.
And then over here between
Those
that
two.
guy and that guy, we're gonna do another center post for just for our railing. That way we don't have a 12-foot span of railing without without support in the middle. That gives us a nice 6-foot span on either side, and it won't, like Andy said, warp or bow or get nasty.
Start looking like David Bowie.
So back at it.
Back at it. Wrapping up day 10.
We did it. We have rafters and joists almost all the way done. Tomorrow we have to throw the eaves on either side. And a couple more posts up for the railing.
How many more posts?
2 more
Two more
posts
posts now.
for the railing.
When we filmed that last portion you just were watching, we didn't realize how late in the day it was.
Yeah.
So we got it up pretty quickly and calling it a day.
That's what she said. And on that note, thank you for pushing us over the 1,000 subscriber threshold limit goal. Okay, so our next goal after 1,000 is 100,000.
100,000, here we come.
We can reach it.
If you share with every person you know, you can help us reach 100,000. Sorry, we'll stop pointing and eye-painting you as much.
And unless you're like me and you only know 3 people, but if you know 100 people, get those 100 people to subscribe, and before we know it, we'll be at 100,000 subscribers.
But the only way you could probably do that is to share this video.
Yes. But,
What else do they do, John?
like, subscribe,
Ring the bell.
ring the bell, leave a comment. Leave a comment. We like feedback. Andy likes being told words of affection. So leave words of affection for Andy.
Words of affirmation.
Affirmation, a lot better than affection. Affection can go outward, and we might delete those ones.
So either way, but if you want to leave me a word of affection somehow, you're going to have to deal with my wife. Because I'm taking everybody. So there's that.
Well, thank you for watching.